Now, I don't know about you, but when I come home after a long day, just done had a day, girl, I like to come home, take my coat off, walk into my living room, get comfortable, real comfortable, kick my feet up, and snatch that damn wig off of my head, okay? So, if you feel me and you looking for a glueless, gel-less, okay, wig install, look, you can snatch it right off, girl, just stay tuned. So this video is sponsored by WowAfrican, okay, professional hair beauty plaza. Shout out to WowAfrican for sending me this quality wig, okay, that you will see here in a minute. So I'm going to show you the contents of the box, like I always do, a little cash back card, a little wig cap, a little comb, a little directions, and I got the wig in this cute little bag, and it's so cute. So here is the wig. Y'all make sure to click that link down below. It'll take you straight to this wig that I have, and this texture, let's jump into this yaki texture. So pretty, so like natural hair like it is bomb. Y'all will see more of it later in the video. But here's the inside. I really want to emphasize on this elastic band because it's a removable elastic band, an adjustable elastic band. It's something I've never seen before, and I just thought that was dope. The parting space on this wig, girl, amazing. Do you see all of that parting space? Beautiful. It's bleached, pre-plucked, all that good stuff. And another thing that really impressed me with this wig is that back lace. Like, do y'all see that? The back lace is even pre-plucked. So even though this wig is pre-plucked and I could just throw it on my head, I decided to do a little bit more customization because WowAfrican wigs are really thick. They have high density wigs, which can be a good and a bad thing depending on your preference. A lot of people like thicker wigs because you get more hair. The hair is fuller. You just have more hair on the wig. You get what you're paying for, you know what I'm saying? But it can also be challenging when it comes to the hairline because that can be a little bit too thick for some people's liking. So I wanted to thin it out a little bit, and that's what I did. Next, I went on and cut off that lace. I forgot to mention this is a 360 wig. As you can see, lace all the way around. That back lace is so freaking pretty. So yeah, you can pull this up into a ponytail and do all kind of different looks with this wig. And here I want to point out that I'm not cutting in a straight line because I tweezed the hairline like kind of jagged to make it more realistic, so I cut it that way as well. So next, I'm going to go ahead and style this wig. So I'm just taking my blow dryer to it to flatten that hair to get that part just like in place. I've seen this done, but I've never really done it because I normally wear like curly wavy wigs, so I just throw some mousse on it. But since this is straight hair and I'm gonna be curling it, I'm just using heat to get that down, and it works like a charm. Like, oh girl, just laid that part. So before styling, I'm going in with this argan oil of Morocco. I really love this stuff because it's kind of like heavy duty, so it works really good on like coarse hair, and this hair is yaki, so we trying to get all that shine, okay? And here I'm just giving y'all another view of this texture. Oh my god, I was so tempted to just wear it straight because it's so freaking pretty. Like, girl, I ain't never had a texture like this. Like, it just is really pretty. It's the best yaki hair that I've worked with. So I just decided to do like loose waves. So yeah, I just took the little, what is this, girl? Oh lord, brain fur, curling wine. I have like different attachments. I end up using the biggest attachment, and yeah, it gave me that kind of effect. I actually did go down to a smaller attachment, but basically you see what I'm saying. Like, I use a big barrel to get like loose curls, and then at the end I'm gonna comb it all out so it can be like some nice pretty waves. Alright, so now it's time to install this wig. I just had my hair slicked back something raggedy because I did not feel like doing braids. So I just threw on that wig cap and this wig grip, which is going to keep my wig in place and tight and snug. And you also want to make sure to adjust that elastic band or those adjustable bands in the back to fit your hair really, really well. So So throwing this wig on, it fit like a glove, like it just melted down, as you can see already. But you can see those little extra flappies. You want to make sure you measure that, cut those off before you go about your day, okay? So y'all couldn't really see it. I thought I was in the camera, but anyway, I wanted to show y'all this back part. The wig was a little big for me, but that back lace would have been popping if I was to like stick it down, but I'm not worried about all that, so I wasn't doing that. So anyway, I'm not doing a bunch of like baby hairs with this wig. I'm just laying this down with some mousse just to basically like, I guess, to like set it in place, but it's not molding it down or nothing. You're still gonna be free to take this wig on and off how you choose. But yeah, I'm just basically using that mousse as a just as like a setting lotion. And then I'm putting that wrap strip around there. I'm gonna do my makeup, chill for a little bit, and then I come back and take it off. So about 45 minutes later, and bam, girl, we are done. Look at that lace, like I melt, girl, yes. And you can still flip flop this wig around. It ain't going nowhere. You can still comb through it. You can still pull it up into a ponytail without all the commitment, without all the hairline mess. I did end up adding a little bit of powder, which I didn't really have to do because it looked better without the powder. But yeah, here is your glueless, gelless wig. The best part, bam, lift it up, no mess, none of that. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Shout out again to WowAfrican for this amazing wig. Make sure to click those links down below. Make sure to check them out because they are having a Black Friday and 5th anniversary sale. So check it out while it's on sale, boo. Okay, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.